Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hi, so in this video we are going to solve this formula challenge and we'll try to generate lambda out of this to work on different metrics. Okay, so you can download the file from this link. I have downloaded that file and that is this one. Now we need to sum these numbers and we need to sum these numbers. Okay, and we are going to generate lambda out of this, so that's why I will try to go step by step. So at first we need to find the matrix row or column. So let's say dimension n. So actually we are just taking one part of this, so we can just say rows and just give this data. So that is 4. Now look at this, we need to get this one, this one, this one and this one, right? This matrix index is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3 and 4 4, right? So if I try to find the trace in matrix, it calls a trace. To sum the diagonal number, it's a trace. Now there will be 4 number and there will be one column, and then function takes lambda, it takes 2 parameters, row and column. So row will be at first 1 2 3 and 4 and column will be always 1 because we are putting 1 in this section. Now in this section I'll say index and find me xx. Now if I press enter, now let's see what it does. So make array, so that is m2, we need to put the index, so that is this part here. Now we can see that 7 3 8 and 13. So 7 3 8 and 13. So that is the trace of this part, I mean trace element. We need to sum up this so that we get the actual trace, so that is 31. Now and to do this same thing but in reverse way, so we can just say trace reverse and then we can just say okay. So same things, so make array, there will be 4 rows as always, column will be 1 and then lambda and x and y, and then we'll say okay, index, find the element from this section. Now as you can see that we need to use the row number, and as you can see that the row number will be 1 for this one, 2 3 and 4, right? So what we can say that okay, the row number is going to be my x and then column numbers, right? So column number will be 4 minus this x plus 1. Why is that? Because for the first time it will be 4, so 4 minus x, that means x is 1, so 4 minus 1 3 plus 1, that means 4, that means this one. For the next iteration x will be 2, so 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1, that means 3. So in this way, so we get this lambda. I'm missing parenthesis, yeah. So 14 7 19 and 18, look at this, 14 7 19 and 18. So this is trace reverse, we just need to sum this up. So this is trace reverse. Now we need to subtract these two and that is our answer, so that is result. Now we will try to convert this into a lambda statement, so we can use this one. Okay, for that you have to watch my previous video. I recorded multiple video on this, how to generate a lambda out of interrelated function. So I'm not going to generate that one, I'll just put the final lambda here. So here is my generated lambda. Okay, so dimension n, so that is rows, trace, sum, and so on. We can just change this to input matrix. Input, let me make this more clear, square matrix. It's need to be a square matrix. So that is this one and then this one. And this is all, yeah, so 27, and this is how we are invoking that. So you just need to pass this one. So I'll save this man lambda name, so that is this one. So if you press Ctrl F3, then it will pop up this one, and so here is our lambda definition. Now we can just say, okay, difference of square matrix trace, and just pass this one. So that's it for this video. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment, and please, if you like this video, please subscribe.